Díobh a chuirde. Today's recorded lesson is talking about your health, and you can find it in the course at Turf Around Town. So today we're going to go through some phrases that you would find useful if you were attending an Irish language course, or you just want to be able to talk about how you're feeling as Gaeilge. So in English, we say, when we're not feeling well, we say, I'm sick. And unusually, we can actually do exactly this as Gaeilge as well. So, tá mé tín. Here we are. Tá mé tín. Tá mé tín. Tá mé, I am, tín, sick. And then you can replace the mé with another pronoun or someone's name. Tá Moira tín. Tá Moira tín. Moira is sick. And then as we've seen with other emotions, you can also say that the sickness is on you. So let's say we also say tá áthas orm. I'm happy. Tá áthas orm. You can say tá tinnis orm. Tá tinnis orm. Tinnis, sickness, orm, on me. Tá tinnis orm. Tá tinnis Moira. Tá tinnis Moira. On Moira. Moira. And then when we're talking about our symptoms, we say that they're on us as well. So slide on is a cold. Slide on. Tá slide on orm. I have a cold. Tá slide on orm. I have a cold, or a cold is on me. Tá scórnach nimhnach air. Scórnach is a throat. Nimhnach a sore throat. Scórnach nimhnach. Tá scórnach nimhnach air. And now we'll just go through a few more ways of saying that you're sick. Níl mé unam féin inniu. Níl mé unam féin inniu, or nílam unam féin inniu. I'm not feeling myself, or I'm not myself today. Tá sí faoin dochtúr. Tá sí faoin dochtúr. So this would be for someone who is regularly seeing a doctor, or they've been to see the doctor and the doctor is treating them. They're under the doctor's care. Tá sí faoin dochtúr. Tá sí faoin dochtúr. Then we move on to tá sé go dona. Tá sé go dona. He's bad, or he's unwell. Go dona is bad, or it can also mean unwell. And then tá mé i bíon. I'm in pain. Tá mé i bíon. And then we can move on to the words for various illnesses. Slide on, we had that already, is a cold. Slide on. Flu is the flu. Flu. Allerga. Allerga is an allergy. Allerga. Mushk. Mushk is nausea or stomach ache. Miauran. Miauran is dizziness or vertigo. Miauran. Tinnis keen. Tinnis keen, or into tagan tinnis keen or atá tuntrach san air. So sometimes you get a headache when there is thunder in the air. Scórnach nimhnach, sore throat. Ailse. Ailse is cancer. Ailse. Tinnis crí. Tinnis crí. Diabetes. Diabetes. Cos bhriste. Cos bhriste. Lámh bhriste. lámh bhriste. And now moving on to something that's a little bit nicer. How to say get well soon. Tásúlagam go maith bishach ort go luath. Tásúlagam, I hope, go maith, that. Bishach, ort, that you will be better or that there will be improvement on you. Go luath, soon. Tásúlagam go maith bishach ort go luath. And now we have some additional sentences. So, tá póric tín, tá anna bhuaisk tá anna bhuaisk He's very nauseated. Another way of saying that is tá fonn muisce so he needs to get sick, or he feels like he's going to get sick. Tá fonn muisce Tásúlagam go maith bishach go luath. I hope he will get well soon. Tásúlagam go maith bishach go luath. Bíonn tinnis mhoire I gcónaí, sílim go bhfuil galar agla uirthi. Galar agla is hypochondria. So it's literally galar is a disease. Agla is scared. So scared, the disease of being scared or scared of disease. Hypochondria. Bíonn tinnis mhoire I gcónaí, sílim go bhfuil galar agla uirthi. Caithfidh mé dul abhaile, tá tinnis cín orm. I have to go home, or I need to go home. Caithfidh mé dul abhaile, tá tinnis cín orm. So now, as a little exercise at the end of this lesson, I'd suggest going back over the different ways of saying you're sick and how to say you have a specific symptom or illness, and going through the list that we have here for the various illnesses and symptoms and seeing if you can put different sentences together. I hope that this has helped, that you've learned some new words, agus gur bhain tú taitneamh as, and you enjoyed it. Slán go fóill.